Hello, everyone. My name is Brandon Lane, and I am a student of the Vagrant Trader Collective for just a little under a year, I would say. And my experience with the Vagrant Trader Collective has been phenomenal. As a result of the training, I am able to analyze the Forex market both fundamentally and technically. As it pertains to the fundamental analysis, I can use the economic calendar and various information that's coming out around the world to basically get an idea for where the market might be and where it could be moving at the time. I can then use that information to support whatever idea I may come across as I begin to analyze the market technically. So, as it pertains to technical analysis, I am able to really look at a chart and identify the overall trend. And what I mean by that, if I'm just seeing higher highs or higher lows, or if I'm seeing lower highs and lower lows. From there, I can identify market structure, and basically, if I'm seeing a higher high, I'm expecting to see, a higher low, and then I can get down to a lower time frame based on the time frame correlation to essentially kind of really see if the idea that I'm thinking for to get in on essentially a buy is appropriate. Look for my candlestick pattern to confirm just my idea, make an entry, really ride the momentum, and take profit successfully. So, along with a number of other things, I would say that the Vagrant Trader Collective has really done a phenomenal job with me to really build my capacity as a trader, and I had zero experience. So, I would say if you're someone like me who is interested in getting into trading, the Vagrant Trader Collective can really build your capacity. And if you have experience as a trader, it's still, from my experience, I believe can help you grow and become more sharper as a trader. So, again, I strongly recommend if you're interested in trading or if you have experience trading and you want to grow your capacity, reach out to the Vagrant Trader Collective to really grow as a trader.